Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a particle logo animation in After Effects without any plugins. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create a new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Go to File and import your logo, any logo you want, drag and drop, then I'll press S to increase it a little bit like this. Okay, right click, pre-compose, and make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition. And okay, Coca-Cola logo, then hit OK. Now I'll go to layer and I'll add a new solid. I'll name it line, then hit OK. Go to effect, generate and gradient ramp. Change linear ramp to radial ramp, and that's all just right now. Okay, so let me close this again. I'll go to Coca-Cola logo, then effects and presets, and I'll type shatter, drag and drop, and see. Okay, now I'll go to view. I'll change it to rendered and see. Okay, open shape and parent, I'll change it to glass. Also I'll change repetition to 200 and extrusion depth to 0. Okay, this is good. Now I'll go to gradient and make sure that you are on first frame, keyframe here, shutter threshold, and go a few frames and change it to 100. Okay, yeah. Also I'll go to gradient layer and I'll change it to line, and source I'll change it to effects and masks and see. Okay, now I want this shutter begin from here, so I'll go to line and I'll go to start of frame. This point I'll put it here, right, and also end of frame I'll put it here left and see. Okay, this is very good. So now again I'll go to Coca-Cola logo and now I'll go to physics. I'll change randomness, increase it around 20, and also viscosity I'll change it to around 20 like this. Gravity duration I'll change it to 0 to make this shutter up like this. Okay, yeah, let me make it quarter to see this. This is very fast, so I'll go to force 1 and strength I'll change it to 1 and see. Let me change it to 2. Yeah, this is good. Yes, this is very good. Okay, so now I'll add a new adjustment layer. Go to effect, stylize and glow, and I'll change glow threshold to 80 and increase radius like this and see. Also I'll add a new background. Then it's okay, put it down, go to effect, generate and gradient ramp, change linear ramp to radial ramp, and I'll put this point into the middle like this. Now change these colors, something like this. Okay, and also here. And this is our logo. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.